So I have a puzzle for you. This is a very famous puzzle. In fact, it was something that was in newspapers in the late 1800s for kind of like once a week in the puzzle section of a major American newspaper. And it's called you've maybe seen it before, the 4 Fours Challenge. And the basic idea of the 4 Fours Challenge is you get to use the number 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you are, the first challenge is usually, can you make all of the numbers from 1 to 10 using only 4 fours? You can't use any other digits, so you can't say, well, I'll square one of the 4s, because that would involve using a 2. Can't have that. You can square root, because that doesn't involve showing me another digit. You can't write 0.4 like that, because that would show me a 0. You can't have a 0, but you could write 0.4. There are people out there who would bristle and go, you're supposed to put a 0 there, but okay, that's fine. 0.4, you can do that. And of course, you can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide. You can use brackets if you like. So let's start with an easy one. 0, I could just go plus, minus, and so 4 plus 4 is, and 8 minus 4 is 0. There you go, I made 0. Could you figure out a way to make 1? How about this? 4 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4. There you go, so that's 0, that's 1. And I think you get the idea. So I'm going to leave you with the 4 Fours Challenge. This will be video 1 where I just explain the challenge. And your challenge is, I just made 0, I just made 1. Can you make 2 all the way to 20? Can you do all the numbers from 1 to 20? Okay? And I'm going to give you a hint. One number, somewhere between 1 and 20. Well, I already showed you 0 and 1. So somewhere between 2 and 20. These tricks here are not enough tricks. Oh, there's one other trick I'll tell you right now. In addition to using decimal, okay, in addition to, let me just erase that. In addition to square rooting, using decimals, add, subtract, multiply, divide, you can also concatenate. Do you know what concatenate means? It means you can take 2 4s and make the number 44. Get it? That doesn't use a different digit. Ha-ha! So there you go. So there you go. There's the rules you have right now, and I'm telling you that with those rules, you will get stuck. There is one number between 0 and 20 that's impossible. And you know, another one of the challenges too is if you can find a different, more clever way to make 0, by all means you can. Like, for example, here's a fun one. Want to know, how about this for a very fun way to work? How about you could make 10 by going 4 divided by 0.4 and then put a line on it. And then you could say plus 4 divided by 4. That's 10. Do you get why that's 10? Because 0.4 repeating is actually 4/9. 4 divided by 4/9. So over 4, that's 9 plus 1 is 10. Ha-ha! So you might have to use a trick like that to get one of the numbers in here, or you might need some other interesting trick. So there we go. I'm going to leave you with that puzzle, the 4 Fours Challenge. Feel free to play with it. I will make another video where we talk about the 4 Fours Challenge. We'll make it tomorrow. Okay? So there we go. I'm going to pause or end this video here. This is 4 Fours Challenge video part 1.